Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find on which devices your Facebook Messenger account are logged into. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to find out on which devices your Facebook Messenger account is logged into, let's open up the Messenger app first. And after opening the Messenger app, you'll be required to tap on the profile picture icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and when this interface appears, scroll down a little bit, and under the category preferences you can see the privacy option of eye level over here. Tap on privacy, and after that, when you get over here, you can see the logins option available over here just below the end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on logins, and after that, this is the interface or the page of Facebook app where you will see on which devices are your Facebook Messenger logged into. And there guys, this is how you find out on which devices your Facebook Messenger is logged into. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.